Hello everyone. Welcome to BRCM College of Engineering and Technology. Special coverage of our visit to International Engineering and Technology Fair 2025. Yesterday, our B.Tech Computer Science students, along with faculty members, explored one of the most dynamic industrial exhibitions, gaining exposure to cutting-edge technology and real-world innovations. Let's hear directly from our students and faculty about their experience.
I'm Ankita, and the International Engineering and Technology Fair 2K25 was an eye-opener. The diversity of technologies displayed was incredible. From AI advancements to IoT innovations, every stall offered something new to learn.
The robotics section absolutely fascinated me. Watching real-time automation solutions and understanding how industries implement them was inspiring. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I am Nihal. This visit really broadened my understanding on how CSE integrates with different sectors like manufacturing and smart cities. This was a good learning experience. Thank you.
Hello, I am Muskan Sangwan. It was not about machines and codes. We actually got to interact with professionals, ask questions, and gain many valuable information about career.
The interactive workshop was the best part. Giving hands-on with some of the tech tools and seeing real-life applications made all our classroom lessons come alive.
I see our students engaged with visits and they enjoying the visit, and also we get some informative knowledge from the visit, and it is a great platform provided to the students to connect with industrial leaders.
I am Deepak Bansal, and I must say, this visit was a fantastic initiative for our students. It exposed them to industry standard and real-world application of what they study. Events like IETF bridges the gap between academics and industry, helping students envision their future role as an engineer.
Hey, I'm Sonika, visiting International Engineering and Technology Fair 2025. Sparked so many ideas for future projects and even career paths. It's amazing how much you can gain from stepping outside the classroom.
Hi, I'm Khushi. A big thanks to our college for arranging this visit. It made me realize the endless opportunities we have as a future engineer.